Well, breaking news coming in at this moment. Times now has an exclusive copy of the National Commission for Minorities members' report on the Dadri incident. This 6-page report that has been signed by 3 members of the fact-finding committee of the National Commission for Minorities has now finalized its report. Its members include Farida Abdullah Khan, T.N. Shanu, as well as Naseem Ahmed. And the most important part of this report is on the page 4, where it says that this was not an accident and that there was a great deal of planning that went into this entire incident. That's what has been brought out by this report. Let's listen into Farida Khan. We will go across to that soundbite of Farida Khan in just a bit from now, but let's go across to Vijay Kao, who has got us an exclusive copy of this report. Vijay, clearly the findings show that this incident in Dadri was not an accident and that there was a lot of planning, and the fact that several people converged in that area to attack Mohammad Akhlaq before the police could arrive clearly led to the killing of Mohammad Akhlaq.
Well, exactly, Navika. That is exactly what this 6-page report, like you pointed out, by the National Commission for Minorities states. If I may ask video journalist Vimal Gotwal to show you. On the 4th page, like you were pointing out, the first line says that the NCM team feels that a crowd of large numbers appearing within minutes of the announcement from the temple's loudspeaker and at the time when most villagers claimed they were asleep seems to point to some premeditated planning. So the word used in this report is premeditated planning. And if we go further in this report, the last paragraph also very clearly mentions that the facts as reported to the NCM team point strongly that the whole episode was the result of a planning in which sacred place like a temple was used for exhorting people of one community to attack a hapless family. The report also very clearly mentions that what is more disturbing is that responsible persons also converge at the place of any such incident and make irresponsible statements which further vitiates the relations between the communities. So the report is making some serious observations as far as the Dadri incident is concerned. The report also has been very critical of the intelligence gathering paraphernalia of the country, whether state machinery or the central machinery. In that respect, the report very clearly states that it seems that the intelligence gathering is no more occurring in the rule book of the authorities. It also says that it has to be revived with utmost sincerity if we are really interested in restoring communal amity. So these are some of the very, very important observations made by this report. As far as the family of the victims is concerned, the report suggests that there should be a unit, there should be dwelling units that should be provided to the 4 affected families, and therefore that will in fact further prove the resolve of the governments to help victims to lead a life without fear. So serious observations being made by this report that Times Now is in exclusive possession of, and this report has in fact also mentioned the role of the state government. It has made several observations, and this report has in fact been made public today. It was a 3-member team that is in fact part of this entire commission that had the fact-finding mission that had in fact gone, and Farida Abdullah Khan, a member and also the in charge of Uttar Pradesh as far as the National Commission of Minorities is concerned, has very clearly stated
Vijay,
that this
also let's draw our viewers' attention to the fact that has been mentioned here on point number 4, where it says very clearly that the social media has also been exploited in the region, and there are some curbs that are required because the entire situation was flared up by the use of social media. It also says that the police need to expeditiously do the entire investigation in this entire case. Clearly the speed of the investigation is something that the NCM is also drawing the attention to. So Farida Khan clearly pointing out to some of these requirements and pointing out in this report as well that curbs on social media are required in the area even now.
Exactly, Navika. Point number 4 of the recommendations very clearly states that social media are being extensively used to flare up communal passions, and some form of vigilance and curb on such hateful attempts is the need of the hour. So that is point number 4. Point number 5 is on police investigations. It clearly states that police investigations regarding the incident need to be completed expeditiously so that the culprits are brought to book and dealt as per law. The long arms of law must prevail. And it is also mentioned that all the political establishments need to counsel their cadres and sympathizers to desist from making irresponsible statements and making capital out of such outrages. So the role of social media, the police investigations should be expedited, and also urging political parties, in fact it's a warning of sorts, to tell their cadre and the representatives to be very cautious in such times and in the aftermath of such incidents. Back to you.